hi. Mackenzie gets adjusted almost every week so that she stays healthy and in alignment. You have lots of bumps and falls and bruises, so we gotta make sure that we keep you straight for that, right? Falls, yes. Okay, first thing we check are her hips. And actually your right one's out, kiddo. Did you fall on your bum?
You did. You fall on your bottom.
Good.
She said cheese.
Are you smiling for the camera?
She sees the camera.
Uh-huh.
Shoes.
And her immune system has been good, right?
Yes.
Good. And we're gonna make sure that she's ready for this winter, because it was last winter when she made
It was.
sick, right?
Yeah, almost
Yeah.
a year.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna have you lay on your back, kiddo.
Does that tickle? On your back.
Uh-huh. On your back. Good. And we're just gonna check. Can you look over the shoulder towards Dr. Kyle? Uh-huh. And then this shoulder. And then I'm gonna use the activator right up here. Just one. All right, all set. All healthy. Yay, Mackenzie.
All good.
Thanks
Yeah.
for playing.
Did she adjust your neck?